Hello everyone. I wanted to do a recording to revisit the solid state hyperdrive. Before I get into that, I want to let you all know that I may be inactive for long periods of time. This is mostly due to my projects. However, there are other factors. One of them is that I'm being harassed by another person. There's not a lot I can do about the situation other than lay low and let it blow over. I don't want to go into details because it could aggravate the situation. I don't want that. So with that all said, on the screen you will see a Seagate Fire CUDA. This is the solid state hybrid drive that I notice the most. Unfortunately, solid state hybrid drives aren't that popular these days. There are several factors that I think are the cause of this. Um, I would like to think that the biggest factor is that people use solid state drives with normal hard drives in array configuration. That seems to be the most common for gaming PC setups. Um, Another factor is brand name PCs. I have yet to see this as an option when you request that these companies build your PC. Um, then the last major factor, I think, is the old articles. Before I did this recording, I did a quick search on solid state hyperdrives just to see if there was any new information regarding them since I last read about them. I noticed that most of the articles out there are really old. Um, they talk about the specifications of the solid state hyperdrive um, back when it only had like 8 megabytes of cache or something like that. Obviously, solid state hybrid drives have improved a lot since then. They have the same amount of cache now as a normal hard drive. So with that mentioned, let's go into the benefits of a solid state hybrid drive. First being simplicity. If you are new to PC building and just want to do um, a single drive build, then by all means do it with a solid state hybrid drive. It will be a lot easier to configure than a RAID formation. Um, After simplicity is going to be cost. If you will notice on the screen, this is going to be a little over $84 after you add taxes and shipping and things of that nature. Comparing it to the Western Digital Black, which was the choice for um, gamers for a long time for normal hard drives, this thing is going to be a little over $100 um, after you add sales tax and shipping, assuming this isn't on sale, because both of these hard drives are on sale right now. So that's a major difference. Next factor is going to be speed. A solid state hybrid drive is going to be 1 to 2 seconds slower than a SSD, but 4 to 5 seconds faster than a normal hard drive. That's a good performance boost, considering how much of a difference in cost there is. Um, that's more or less just like what a consumer um, needs to know. If you really want to get into like the technical stuff with solid state hybrid drives, then I can mention the bonus of having a solid state chip for its memory. Because it uses solid state um, chips for its memory, that means that its memory can persist even on boot. It does take some time to break in a solid state hybrid drive, but once it does, it can figure out where to allocate the memory um, quite quickly. So, yeah, that's the most I have on this. I will link some articles in the description um, to help you understand the grade formation stuff that I was mentioning earlier, um, and some other things. Anyways, thanks for listening.